Hi, so I have used this acrylic pen colors for my painting on the random things. So they're very useful and handy. And these are the few random things that I have picked up for the painting. So let's see what I have done with them. Hello everyone, I'm Daisy from Into My Little World. Welcome back to my channel. And today is a video which I really did not want to shoot because I was really getting bored. I didn't know what to do, but then I just thought that I'm sure there are many people here, or there are many friends here in my family. I guess they can relate to me when they say that, or when I say that, I'm really bored, I don't know what to do. So I thought, let me get back to my hobbies, or something that I always liked doing it. And I'm sure whenever you get bored, or whenever you are tired of the household chores and your work, so I guess this is the best pastime that you can do, is getting back to your hobby. So my hobby was to do a lot of painting, some doodle arts or something like that. So this video is all about painting on random things. Whatever I got it around, I just picked it up and I started drawing on it. So without getting delayed, let's start the video. So the first thing is the book cover. You can take any book cover, either a diary cover which is a little hard, and I've painted it with white acrylic. So I have used the black acrylic pen and I've started drawing the designs on this cover. Whatever design came to my mind, I just drew it, and it was so soothing. It was an extremely soothing experience while doing it. Just keep following your mind. Just pen it down, whatever comes to your mind. I'm sure that it'll turn beautiful. And life is always beautiful if you follow your heart and your passion. So with this note, I just love this whole process, and this is how it turned out. I have used this colorful tassels to add some pop of colors. And here is my beautiful car hanging. So I've used it in my car and it is absolutely gorgeous. Don't you think so? The second random thing that I picked up is this wooden spatula. It was lying down in the kitchen, so I painted it white and have started again doing some random paintings on it. So this time I thought I'll do Madhubani art on it. So let's see how it turns out. I must say these acrylic pens are very handy and very easy to use. So if you want to know more about such pens, do write it to me on the comment section. I'll get back to you on this. So this one thing I've always felt that, whenever you get bored and you have nothing to do, just follow your heart, follow your passion. I'm sure the process would turn out very nice and beautiful. So just add this pop of colors on this drawing, and I'm sure this is such a soothing experience. You will love this process. So do try it out and do let me know, how do you feel when you just follow your passion or follow your hobbies, and just drop it in my comment section.
So do not forget to varnish your paints to keep it safe and sturdy. So I've used some screws and this jewelry stones that I had. So let's see what I'm trying to make out of it. Just glue it out on that screw. And ta-da! This is what I made. So yes, will be a hanging spatula where you can hang your jewelries, you can hang your key rings, or you can keep it in the kitchen to hang your cups. And this is how it looks. The third thing that I picked up is this watch box. I painted it white, and when it dried, I have used this neon blue color on it. And now using this black and this yellow acrylic to draw some daisy flowers on it. Just follow the pattern. Now I'm using this yellow color to draw the petals all over the black dots. And this is how it will turn out. It's very easy, simple. So you can use this box for keeping your stationeries, your pens, your colors. You can also keep your visiting cards. So this is very handy. I hope you like this video and you want to see more such videos. Do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.